Welcome to another episode of MelB.Bassin, and this episode is a Wrenchin episode because I snapped the shaft, the drive shaft on that one. That is a long shafted engine, so I'm going to take the power head off of that, and I have another engine behind that piece of wood there that is a short shaft engine that has a blown power head. So I'm just going to put the good power head on that shorter shaft, and I have to rebuild the lower unit, and you can see right here, that's the broken shaft right there. Just right where it tapered down, it just snapped right there. I gotta put the small shaft in that. Of course, I'm gonna replace the water pump, impeller, and yeah, we got lots to do, but I have this thing completely torn down. All the bolts are taken off. That's ready to be plucked up and set aside, and then we're going to start tearing down the other one and just get it all switched over. But first, I got to clean everything up, because you can see look at all this nonsense, man. This is me getting it to this point. Getting that flywheel off was a pain, but I finally figured out with some heat, smacking it with a rubber mallet, we got it all off of there. So anyway, I'm going to clean everything up. I've spent like 3 hours just organizing things, cleaning my tools, and this is how far I've gotten. I got the carbs off. All these bolts down here are all off. Bolts from underneath there. Fuel pumps off. That's the linkage right here for the shifter. I got the stator off, flywheel. That was the hardest part. Oh, look at that. What? Oh yeah, we're ready to go. All right, day number 2. All I have to do now, well, not all I have to do. There's lots of things I'm going to have to do. But the phase that we're in now is putting together this guy. All right, another piece of the puzzle. We got the engine hoist, so we are going to be able to get the power heads off. Yeah. So one step closer. All right, she runs.